Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moa Education Society's Moa Royal Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the antibiotics. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, the learner will able to understand definition classification of antibiotics, introduction of penicillin, drug profile of some antibiotic agents, content of lecture, definition classification of antibiotics, introduction of penicillin, drug profile of antibiotics agent. So first point is definition of antibiotics. So antibiotics are chemical substances which are produced by living organism which are capable of inhibiting growth of other microorganism in small concentration. That agent is called as a antibiotics. Example benzyl penicillin, tetracycline. Classification of antibiotics depending on the spectrum of activity. In this first class is narrow spectrum antibiotics. The antibiotic which are selectively effective on gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria or fungi or yeast are called as a narrow-spectrum antibiotics. Example bacitracin, nystatin, benzyl penicillin. Next class is broad-spectrum antibiotic. The antibiotic which are selectively effective on large number of pathogen, not only gram-negative or gram-positive bacteria but also affect the intracellular organism like virus and rickettsia. That antibiotics are called as a broad spectrum antibiotics. Next classification based on chemical nature. First class is beta lactam antibiotics. Example benzyl penicillin, phenoxymethyl penicillin, cyprohaloridine, cyprohalothine. Next class is non-beta lactam antibiotics. In this first subclass is tetracycline. Example chlorotetracycline, oxytetracycline. Next class is aminoglycoside antibiotics. Example streptomycin, neomycin, gentamicin. Next class is microlide antibiotics. Example erythromycin. Next class is annamycin antibiotics. Rifamycin. Next class is Pauline microlide antibiotics. Example nystatin, hemacin. Next class is anthracycline antibiotics. Example actinomycin, dinorubicin. Next class is peptide antibiotics. Example bacitracin. Next class is steroidal antibiotics. Example fusidic acid. Next class is nucleoside antibiotics. Example pyromycin. Next class is non-classifiable antibiotics. Example chloramphenicol, graceolin. Then we discuss the what is meant by penicillin or introduction of penicillin. So penicillin is first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming. They are obtained from the mold Penicillium caeruginum and Penicillium notatum. Penicillin contain beta-lactam ring, which are the four-member cyclic amide ring fused with the thiazolidine ring and gives bicyclic heterocyclic system that is called as a pinam. So this is a beta-lactam ring, this is a thiazolidine ring fused together and form the bicyclic heterocyclic system that is called as a pinam, and other name is the 6-amino penicillinic acid. This is the basic structure of penicillin which contain beta-lactam ring which are fused to the thiazolidine ring. This is a bicyclic heterocyclic system. Name is 6-amino penicillinic acid. Then we discuss the drug profile of some penicillin antibiotics. So first is benzyl penicillin, other name is penicillin G. This is the structure of penicillin G. IUPAC name is 6 in the bracket 2 phenyl acetoamido bracket complete penicillinic acid. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a white finely crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a faint characteristic in odor and tasteless. Solubility. It is a very soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage and stability. If the moisture content of benzyl penicillin is less than 0.5%, then at the room temperature it is stable for 2 to 3 years. Hence it is stored in tightly closed container protect from the moisture. Uses. So it is used in treatment of various types of infection. So it is used in treatment of abscess infection, syphilis infection, gonorrhea infection, pharyngitis, pneumonia, meningitis infection, endocarditis due to the staphylococcal bacterial infection, pneumococcal infection, tetanus, diphtheria, anthrax infection, and otitis media infection. So all types of infection can be treated by using a penicillin G antibiotics. Official preparation of penicillin G. First is benzyl penicillin injection, benzyl penicillin eye drop, benzyl penicillin eye ointment, procaine penicillin injection, fortified procaine penicillin injection. Brand name Novapain, Cristapain G. Next antibiotics is phenoxymethylpenicillin. Other name is penicillin V. This is the structure of penicillin V. IUPAC name is 6 in the bracket 2 phenoxyacetoamido bracket complete penicillinic acid. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white finely crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a faint characteristic in odor and bitter in taste. Solubility. It is a very slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage. It is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses. So it is used in treatment of abscess infection, syphilis infection, gonorrhea infection, pharyngitis, pneumonia, meningitis infection, endocarditis due to the staphylococci infection, pneumococcal infection, tetanus, diphtheria, anthrax infection, otitis media infection. Official preparation: phenoxymethylpenicillin capsule, phenoxymethylpenicillin tablet, phenoxymethylpenicillin oral suspension. Brand name D-Pain, Stabiline. Next antibiotic is ampicillin. The structure of ampicillin. IUPAC name is 6 in the bracket 2 amino 2 phenyl acetamido bracket complete penicillinic acid. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is odorless and bitter in taste. Solubility: it is frankly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage. So it is unstable about 25 degree Celsius temperature. Hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container in the cool place or at temperature not exceeding 25 degree Celsius. Uses. So it is used in treatment of respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, gonorrhea infection, meningitis infection, enteric infection. Official preparation: ampicillin capsule, ampicillin tablet, ampicillin oral suspension. Brand name Ampipain, Ampilin, Rosilin, benzathine penicillin. The structure of benzathine penicillin. IUPAC name is 6 in the bracket 2 phenyl acetoamido bracket complete penicillinic acid, benzyl in the bracket 2 in the sub bracket benzyl amino sub bracket complete ethyl bracket complete amine. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is odorless and bitter in taste. Solubility: it is sparingly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition. So it is unstable above 25 degrees Celsius. Hence it is a stored in tightly closed light resistant container in cool place or at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Uses. So it is used in treatment of respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, gonorrhea infection, meningitis infection, enteric infection, and pneumococcal infection. Official preparation: benzathine penicillin injection, benzathine penicillin powder for injection. Brand name Bicillin LA, Permapen, So in this lecture we discuss about the definition and classification of antibiotics and introduction of penicillin and drug profile of some penicillin antibiotics agent. Thank you.